Day trading futures this morning. It's early in the morning, 7 o'clock. Well, it's 7:40 right now. The trade's over. I ended up making a nice little profit this morning. Nice little profit here trading futures. I'm going to break down this trade overall, kind of the game plan, what happened, and all of that. I'm going to show you guys my entry, my exits, and all of that fun stuff. Everything you always wanted to dream about and you wanted to watch. It's right here. It's about to happen. So make sure you stay tuned. Let's go. What's going on, guys? It's Thursday morning, and I'm getting short here on the E-minis. I think we're going to get a breakdown here. Looking for this move down to the 782 area. Looking for a 782 area after we drop through this. After we dropped through yesterday's kind of high of day was there at the 788 area. At support was there. And now kind of looking that now that we're trending lower after this big drop from the 788 down there to 784. A little bit of a bounce here, but I'm thinking this is going to keep heading lower here, back down this 270.82 area, kind of being my target. If we can get down there, we're looking at a $650 profit on this trade. Stop loss wise, I'm probably sitting here at the 27.86.25 area as my stop loss on this trade. So I'm going to risk $200 here for the possible $500, $600. You can see yesterday we bounced off that 27.82 area and then rallied, but then now kind of just pulling back down there. So that's basically what I'm looking at in terms of the next support there at the 27.82 area from here. You can see the overall trend this morning so far. You can see the overall trend so far this morning. Basically, going down, down, down. After a nice little rally kind of late last night, and then pulling back and following that trend lower from there. So that's what I'm looking for here. Kind of see that trend continue and get down there to the 27.82 area. Right now I'm up $100. Well, I was. Let's see if we can get this to pull back down there. Well, or head down there, I guess. Let's see if we can break through that 27.84 area. Right there, kind of where we bounced at. Looking pretty good right now. Let's see if we can get this break there, a 27.84 break. I'd like to see if I can get one order right there at the 27.83.50. So getting some fill down there. And looking for this to head lower from here. See if we can get down to the 20. See if we can break through that 27.83 now. Holy shit, it's dropping, baby. Look at this. I wasn't even paying attention. I got to put some buys out there. See if I can get some fills down here. Holy, I was doing something on my computer. That's awesome. There it is, 27.82, baby. 27.82 getting cracked right through there. And let's see if we can get a little bit more here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and close it out there. I hit my stop, did what I needed to do, making $650. It's going lower. I'm not gonna be greedy. I'm sticking to the plan, taking what I can get here, and you can see, beautiful. Wow, that's exactly what we needed to do. That's what we wanted. That's what I wanted. That was my plan. You can see now down there 27.80.25. So following that overall trend, getting really simple. Seeing that we couldn't break out of that trend, getting the big drop there, shorting into that little bit of a pop there, not shorting at the bottom. Look at this, making sure, I wasn't shorting at the bottom. I didn't want to short down here on the breakdown. I wanted to short as this pushed back up. We got the push back up, we shorted, and look at that, all the way down there to 27.80. Beautiful. I mean, that's what it's all about right there. 4 contracts making $650 today. Easy peasy mac and cheesy. Sometimes I impress myself. Sometimes I really just impress myself. And there it is bouncing back now. So we'll see kind of where that ends up later on today. But for now, I'm done. I got some things I got to do. I got some boating I got to go get ready for. We got a big fishing tournament tomorrow starting. A lot of money on the line. A lot of time and effort and all that. Get some stuff dialed in on the boat and get ready for that tournament tomorrow. So I won't be trading tomorrow. But you can see here, I'm making plenty of money trading on the futures, making $650 this morning. Trading the E-minis, baby. The E-minis. Just like that. Simple, easy. Look at it now. Down there, it's back, bouncing back 27.82. So perfect timing on most of that. Perfect timing, really. I feel good about it. I feel good about it. I'm not going to lie. I feel good about it. Take it. I will take it. Look at it. It's going lower. It's going low, low, lower now. Really dropping there. Another two handles now down below 27.82. Can't sit here and think about the what ifs, what could have done better, and chase it and all that. Really, for me, my target was that 28. My target was that 27.82 area. We got that target area, and I'm happy that we got it. I'm not gonna sit here and complain or say, oh, I'm gonna try to chase it again. I'm gonna try to do something else. I'm not gonna do anything stupid. So there it is. Beautiful little trade here. Trading the E-minis this morning. S&P 500 futures. Showing you guys the possibilities here. Showing you guys the possibilities. Make sure you stay tuned. I'm going to be talking about a new broker that I'll be using very soon. Trading futures. I'll be kind of switching some stuff up. And I got some big stuff coming up next week. Next week, I'm heading up to New York City with Kevin Avery. We're going up to Steve Kalajian's office again. So make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. There's a lot of really great stuff coming. Great stuff coming, baby. I'll talk to you guys later on. If you haven't already, like I said, hit that subscribe button. I'm out of here.